Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
You want to create an Outlook distribution list directly from an Excel spreadsheet. This process streamlines sending emails to multiple recipients efficiently. First, prepare your Excel sheet. Ensure you have clear columns for a full name and email address. These specific headings make mapping easier during the import process. Once your data is clean and accurate, save the Excel file as a CSV, or comma-separated values, file. This particular format is essential for Outlook's import function to work correctly. Next, open Outlook. Navigate to the eFile tab located in the top left corner. Click on Open and Export, then select Import/Export from the options. Choose Import from another program or file, and then select comma-separated values. Browse to your recently saved CSV file on your computer. You'll then select your Outlook Contacts folder as the destination for these imported contacts. Crucially, you must map your custom fields. Drag your full name field from the left pane to name on the right side of the mapping window. Do the same for email address to email address. Finish the import. All your contacts are now accessible within your Outlook contacts list. Finally, create your distribution list. Go to the People section in Outlook, usually found at the bottom left. Click New Contact Group on the ribbon at the top. Give your new group a descriptive name. Click Add Members, and select from Outlook Contacts. Find and select all the contacts you just imported from Excel. Click in Members to add them, then OK. Save and close your new contact group. Your distribution list is now ready to use for sending emails efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.